Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how me and my wife made this flower bed on the side of our house. We made it for under $300 and it took us about a day to complete. For reference, this is what it looked like before. First step was going ahead and removing all that grass. This was definitely the most difficult task. As you can tell, this is what took the most time. So just using 2 shovels, I had my wife help me with this part because I knew it would be probably the hardest part of it all. Alright, so once I had all the grass removed, I went ahead and flattened it all out using a flathead shovel, just trying to level out as much as possible and getting all the small rocks and debris out of the way. After that, I laid down the weed barrier, nailed that into the ground. That was pretty simple. And I also had to cut out the sprinkler heads and also the AC drain, which you'll see in a second. This whole process probably took me about 30 minutes to do. Alright, so after that was all done, I had my wife lay out the plants where she wanted them to go, made sure they were in a straight line, just kind of measured them off the wall, and that was also pretty easy to do. Getting them into the ground took me about 30 to 45 minutes total. Once all the plants were in the ground, I went ahead and tested the sprinklers just to make sure I didn't hit any lines or anything like that, and they were all working as they should. I went ahead and laid down 1 layer of drainage rock. This is just to help level everything out, and also the pavers, because we weren't using any paver sand or anything like that, so this was kind of the best way to do it. Once I had the 1 layer of drainage rock down, I went ahead and got the pavers and pressed them into the ground before adding the 2nd layer of the drainage rock. Once I had all that done, I went ahead and rinsed everything off just to get all the debris and powder and stuff off the rock and help settle the pavers in a little bit more. Then I went ahead and added the 2nd layer of the drainage rock. And this is how it turned out. Me and my wife really love it. It costed us about $250 to $300 to do it all, and I got it done in about a half a day. We're going to extend this to the back side of the house, so we're going to make a video on that too. Might do it a little different with paver sand, but go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video.